Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Turn on the OnePlus TV and verify it displays the home screen. Navigate to Settings and open Network to confirm Wi-Fi connection. Make sure the TV connects to your 4 GHz or 5 GHz home Wi-Fi network. Grab your phone and check that it uses the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Update the TV system if a software update is available before continuing. Open the Apps row and launch the YouTube app to begin the sign-in process. Open the YouTube app on your OnePlus TV and select the sign-in button. The TV will display a short activation code and instructions on screen. On your phone or computer, go to YouTube.com/activate and enter the code exactly as shown. Confirm the Google account you want to link when prompted on your phone or browser. The TV will automatically refresh and show your account name when activation succeeds. If you prefer, use the TV remote to sign in directly with your Google credential. With the account linked, open YouTube on your phone and tap the cast icon. Choose your OnePlus TV name from the device list to start streaming instantly. Use the phone as a remote to browse, cue videos, and adjust volume while the TV plays. If casting fails, first confirm the TV and phone remain on the same Wi-Fi network and that the TV is awake. Restart the TV or router if problems persist, and reinstall the YouTube app as a final troubleshooting step before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.